Hi, I'm Daniel Rodriguez, here to explain how to use the electronic parking brake on the ZDX. Make sure all the doors are closed and you have your seatbelt on. The electric parking brake switch can be found on the lower dash just left of the steering wheel. When the vehicle is at a complete stop, press the switch, a red light will flash and then stay on. A message will also appear on the DIC. To release the parking brake once the vehicle is on or in accessory mode, apply and hold the brake pedal. Then press the electronic parking brake until the light is off. If the parking brake is applied while driving, the vehicle will decelerate. If the light flashes continuously, a DIC message will display. Do not drive the vehicle if the red light continues to flash. If an amber warning light is on after disengaging the parking brake, see your dealer. For more information, please see your owner's manual.